Technically their team has 3 LCS players. Yeah, except Quas is, what the hell, is Quas mid lane Lucian or bot lane Lucian? Maybe it's mid lane Corki. You didn't want a J4 mid. Fear of getting reported as always, okay.
It shall be done.
Okay. Might as well go E first, level 1, and then we're gonna get Q off.
The Demacian does not retreat.
Good to know we're patient. Can't be there. You're crazy.
My king commands.
Or maybe get closer, you fools. look at that stupid goon squad. Goon squad, boys.
The warrior spirit is never broken.
Goon squad. Keep on holding each other's hands.
Only actions truly speak. Victory calls.
Fuck, they out goon squatted us. Guys, we're in for long. The problem is in Zaz, I can't do anything. Me and Vi are completely useless here. If I jump in without flash, I'm gonna be the last jump I go in. That was the only time we could jump in when they're silenced. If I jump in without flash.
The Demacian does not retreat. Sound the march.
Fuck, I'm not even gonna clear it. There's no point. There's no point because I'm not gonna get level 2 anyway. I'll share the XP. It's alright, boys. We won. 1-0. 1-0. You saw I randomly jumped in and smited red first so I could get the heal off. I call that. And then fucking Crumbs smited it too. He's like, well, where's my heal? We've done it again. We've done it again, boys.
Always forward.
XinZhao doesn't look too good. it's level 1. Nah, I couldn't. There's no point clearing that camp. I can't afford to Skyward this. Cause it's 100 gold. That's why.
Press the assault.
I don't want to go W because I have so many pots that don't matter.
To triumph.
No, I don't think I would have gotten. Like, I know small ones give a ton, but I don't believe I would have gotten a level from that. To be fair, the large one was smited twice. Clearly it must give more XP.
A Demacian does not retreat.
Bring it, bitch. I killed your friends. What are you gonna do about it? Let's do this. 1v1.
Their lives are forfeit. Do not bore me.
Done. Weird that they didn't take blue. It's hard from the guess which buff I'm gonna do. Like, I could have went for blue, level 1.
Is never broken.
So It's not an easy choice for him to invade. If he invades and fails, and his game is officially over. So Vi has to just go for his blue. Because if Vi goes for my blue and there's a ward on it, he dies instantly. If he goes for red and I'm there, then he dies again because I have red buff from the level his camp. So he was basically in a situation where he could not win. So that's why he chose not to do anything.
Their lives are forfeit.
If there's a ward, I can't clear it because I don't have.
Sound the march.
Because I don't have mid pressure. That Vi should probably be level 4 too. He's basically screwed right now because he doesn't know if I'm gone or not. So unless he has Vi come up, there's no way he can tell unless he walks into it. But if he walks into it and I was still in that brush, then he loses. So he's in a bad spot. Yeah, that's why Nara's like playing super back. He knows that if I'm somehow still in that brush, he's in trouble.
Always forward.
What else is? I see you doing fish stuff.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Press the assault.
Five's bottom, level 5.
Here's a tip, and a spear behind it. My king commands. Sound the mark.
Fuck! I think I was still hit by something. Wow, that's slow. Wow. Oh, okay, whatever, it doesn't matter there. The result is the same. You will die, we will live. Okay, he will live, Fizz will live. Damn, he was a level up. I'm assuming it's because he got fully XP on his blue or something. I don't know. It's because when you do 3 buffs, you get less EXP than, or you don't get level 3. I don't know. So we got less. I got less EXP from that entire ordeal. I'm not even gonna go for that. Fuck you guys. You guys let me die.
Do not bore me.
Good thing I was this warded.
The warrior spirit is never broken. Victory calls.
Ugh. So annoying.
Always forward. Fate has made its choice.
I can't fight that guy because I can't all in because they're just Valkyrie away and I have no summoners anyway. So if he has flash, I lose. Thing is, between junglers versus solo laners is, yeah, did you just steal my blue? I don't know. Is that I have to buy the shitty jungle item, which gives me 0 stats against Corki harassing me down.
Demacian does not retreat.
Where is he? Yeah, you got it. Fuck. Yeah. I don't
Do
know.
not
I
fall.
was stuck mid forever because Fizz is bottom forever. So hopefully they get something out of that.
It shall be done.
Danke sehr.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I lost blue for that. Ordeal.
Here's a tip. And a spear behind it.
I thought you gained max
Always
percent HP
forward.
when you smite red, so it doesn't matter how low HP you are. Wasn't there a Reddit response just about that?
Press the assault.
Yeah, Corky's their mid laner, so it's AP Corky, so I can't even get near him.
Is never broken.
Enemy has been slain.
Oh, there's Vi. I need to buy fast and then I can do stuff.
Been slain.
Yeah.
Sound the march.
Blast and Smite, yeah, you can heal a little bit more when you're lower, but I just wanted to stun the damn camp.
It shall be done. Fate has made its choice.
An ally has been slain.
My king commands.
Damn. Lucian's top lane. That's actually bizarre. So we get bot lane. We're getting dragon though. Dragon at least.
Their lives are forfeit.
Yeah, I can't really defend that against Nami Vi with the threat of possibly Nara coming. Huh? What the hell? Was he not in range that entire time? Are you shitting me? Why did that tower not hit?
An ally has been
Holy fuck. Is that not in range? I think the tower literally derped there. There's no way the minion was still in range. I was so dumb. I have no idea what happened there. What the fuck? The tower like never swapped. Where should I go? Should I go Tabbies or
To
Max?
triumph.
I have no idea what happened
An
there.
ally has been slain. Your
The
turret
tower just never swapped aggro. Like, there's no way in hell this spot is not like in tower range. That was insane.
Only actions truly speak.
Alright. Now I'm pretty sure the tower was killing the minion, because the minion died like right there.
A Demacian does not retreat.
an enemy has been
Whatever, we
slain.
can always ghost around stream and figure it out. Figure out Blue's Clues style.
My king commands.
She must have sweated.
Always forward.
Well, I die for my team. I die for the swarm, for the colony.
You have been slain.
Oh, there is a pink there. Thanks for the hope, asshole. What was that hope for me? There's pink word in that brush, so I better run at it.
It shall be done.
Yeah, there's a pink there. I got my Nikes. I should be able to assist him soon. doing?
Sound the march. To triumph. The warrior spirit is never broken.
My boys, let's
A
go for
Demacian does not
the
retreat.
raid boss Nar. We will no longer live in fear of the damn bastard Nar. We don't live in fear! Holy shit, I live in fear of Lucian. Yo, man. Oh shit, dirty seawater.
Victory calls.
We got Corke. Ha! Thinks he's safe.
My king commands.
Oh shit, he is not safe. Fuck! Soraka. Sorak's like doo doo doo. Oh, okay. Don't worry, I died for the team. It's all about the team. If you're not dying for the team, ooh, she didn't die for the team. That was more for herself.
Victory calls.
I die for the colony. I'm probably gonna just wait for dragon.
To triumph.
Oh, if she has E, she can. Yeah, whatever.
Sound the march.
Top gun down, mate. Top gun down.
With honor. The warrior spirit is never broken.
Isn't the dragon? It's like, maybe I should find a different place to put up my nest, because I feel like every time I come here, I feel like every time I come here I die.
And a spear behind it. A Demacian does not retreat.
20 minutes on Baron, as in spawns in 1 minute, so you don't have to worry about. I actually sort of like Baron spawning later because it doesn't really matter. I mean, like, you can't cheese it so early. Wow, that Vi is very fed. She's 7 of their 15 kills, so we shouldn't be so worried. Fuck. No, Corky's still mid. Lend me your shield, Mr. Tower. I shall face this villain myself. Never mind, he's pretty strong right now, and I don't have Amara. Just one stat I neglected.
Always forward.
Double kill.
Victory calls. My king commands.
2250, damn. I'm very short for runners. Not flashy. This guy's gone. Top Gun's dead. Top Gun thinks he's getting away. He's got another thing coming.
Their lives are forfeit.
Shit, dog.
Always forward. It shall be done. It ends.
Shit. Who's left? Speed me up! Ooh, right into the rapids. Shit, they have a lot of units coming over. I think he's abandoned us at our darkest hour. He's abandoned us. At least I have kills now, but I don't know all you're doing is last hidden. Yeah, we have to fight Vi. Like either that or tried.
To triumph.
I think the Devour is way stronger than the enchantment. The Devour enchantment's way better than Flare on me. That's what I mean.
Fate has made its choice.
There we go. Lawler is back. All right. What does XinZhao pick? I saw Santorin do it. He said it was decent. And then Twitch chat also suggested it. So could Twitch chat and Santorin be wrong? I think not. Holy crap. Toss, just nom it to you guys. Holy crap, why is this not with him? What? The fuck? Did he go?
Victory calls.
You're crazy. Oh sure, I'm the one who gets shot at. Assholes. Shit. Damn, we're being hit! It's a bogey on my tail! There's a bogey on everyone's tail apparently. Wow, you just don't get away from Fizz, do ya?
My king commands.
I'm gonna jump in here. Shit, I didn't random him before the flash. Fuck!
The warrior spirit is never broken.
Warrior spirit's never broken because you're fucking getting shit on right now. Yeah, shit. I should have ran her before she even flashed. Wasn't thinking about it at the time. Soon Fizz wants it.
Do not fall me.
Damn, they only have one AP guy. Maybe we should just get a Hex Shrinker, even though it's not that good. Shit. I don't want Wits End. I don't want you, Wits End.
It shall be done.
This is key by stream. I'm up in this slow mode.
The warrior spirit is never broken.
Mod. Yeah, guys act so tough when they're not looking, huh?
My king commands. Sound the march.
An ally has been slain.
Well, I guess. Where's your flash now, bitch? Oh right, you don't have flash. That's what you used. You got away first time. Should not be in trouble.
It shall be done.
Shit.
Victory calls. But the monster does not retreat.
Of course. Let's do this, boys.
And a spear behind it.
That's one flaw of the damage build, Vi. If you're against, okay, fine. Let's say you all and you don't kill them, then you get kited around until you die. That's a big reason I hate that Vi build. How did you do so much damage? I couldn't smite it, dude. This is bullshit. That HP was a lie. Oh, oops. Couldn't get over anyway. Oh. Impossible. Impossible. Should have tanked the barbecue. Fucking risk dying. We only lost Soraka. Vayne lived. Come on. You think a jungler is lower on the totem pole than goddamn support? Fuck that shit. I ain't taking that shit. Nah, but at least if you get kited around in your tank, you feel like you're doing something. Oh yeah, forget. This is super fast. Wee.
Always forward.
Killing spree.
Yeah. Ah, Quas top lane is really good. Like, it's one of the. He's one of the stronger solo queues when he's top. I think he's having a rough game bottom. Oh shit! Speaking of,
An enemy has been slain.
fuck you guys. I want one.
Rampage.
Fucking Lemon's the one dying.
A Demacian does not retreat.
Shit. I don't know if we could beat Corky now mid or 2 towers with just me and the other guy. You're just letting them get away. Shit. Could we have beaten them if they walked out? Maybe. Actually, no. Oh! Maybe we could have if they walked out. Fuck, I shouldn't have. I should have just. I didn't realize Fizz was the one going back. That was bad by me.
Their lives are forfeit. The warrior spirit is never broken.
Did you just fail? Oh, that was the swag. Was that the knockup mid Valkyrie? Yeah, if you mistime your Valkyrie, holy crap, you get owned so hard. He got penalized quite hard for that.
Fate has made its choice.
He's like, hey, that's basically it. Hey, what? You better be able to kill that guy on your own, because if you can't, you're pretty sad. Yeah, I think it is GG. Our mains are so strong right now.
Shall be done.
Yeah, GG.
Only actions truly speak.
You did it! XinZhao did it! Twitch chat is right! Twitch chat done it again! Odd one, why do you ever play XinZhao? Because I'm wrong. And Twitch chat is right all along. They did it again! They did it, boys! Twitch chat did it again! Another win for the old Twitch chat column. Yeah, sure they were wrong about a few things, like that crappy Nihilus thing and send invites to Suicide 5v1.